తెలంగాణ అసెంబ్లీ సమావేశాలు కొనసాగుతున్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఆ లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Arranging assistance of 1 lakh crore through bank linkage for them over a 5-year period. I would like the Minister Sahiba to provide details on the disbursement of interest-free loans of rupees 21,632 crores to the beneficiary as soon as the scheme was launched earlier this month. Sir, आप वो उसको स्कीम को लॉन्च करे और वो 21,000 का चेक सामने लाए तो अब सर आई एम नॉट दैट लर्नड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डिड दैट चेक meant. Have we cleared the 21,000? Have we cleared it? Okay man, thank you. Okay, क्योंकि मैं ये समझ रहा था कि आने वाले कल में उसको करेंगे सर. Sir, Indrama Atmiya Bharosa scheme has also been assigned to the Rural Development Department for implementation. Under the scheme, financial assistance of rupees 12,000 per annum will be released in 2 spells, 6,000 each to landless agriculture labor families. However, an allocation of 413.52 crores has been made for the scheme in the next year budget, and the amount will cover only 3,44,600 households. Apparently, the scheme is being restricted to households of landless laborers who secure only 20% day under Manrega program in 2023 and 24. I request the Minister Sahiba to clarify on this also. Sir, finally, sir, I'm coming to municipal administration, sir. In the budget speech, the Finance Minister Saab talks about the Mega Master Plan 2050 to achieve widespread industrial growth across Telangana by 2050. To quote him, the core objective of this policy is to decentralize industrial development, ensuring the Hyderabad is not the sole hub of industrial progress, but that all regions of the state experience balanced and substantial growth. However, the recent decision of the government to expand the urban spread outside GHMC under the outer ring road limits 2,053 square kilometers and extent of the boundaries of Hyderabad Metropolitan Authority to propose regional ring road 10,472 square kilometers, excluding the 765 kilometers under the purpose of future city development authority, seems to be counteract the mega master plan, sir. The government claims that these changes have been effected in view of the rapid growth of the development in the areas beyond GHMC and up to ORR and between ORR. In the recent time, ministers have hinted the GHMC will expand up to ORR. Media reports quoting official sources have even claimed the GHMC will be extended to beyond ORR and even up to boundaries of RRR. Some ministers have also claimed.
Sir, municipal important subject है sir.
हाँ भाई 1.5 hour होगा आपको सब आपका.
सर आप इम्पोर्टेंट है सर. सर इतने चीजों को कैसा लेंगे सर बताइए.
जल्दी करो.
सर मैं जल्दी कर रहा हूँ
सर.
सर. सर देखिए सर इतने डिमांड्स हैं, इतने डिमांड्स को कैसा करेंगे सर? आप बताइए सर. सर पहले ऐसे होता था सर, पहले सुबह डिमांड्स को सर आई नीड 15 मिनट्स सर. आई रिक्वेस्ट सर प्लीज गिव मी सर. अब ये सर हमको बोल लेना है. वंस अगेन आई से दैट आई एम स्पीकिंग एवरीथिंग विदाउट नोइंग वेदर आई विल गेट अ रिप्लाई ऑन दिस और नॉट, without knowing that I will be getting an opportunity for clarification or also I do not know, sir. Sir, I would like to some ministers have also claimed that the government is contemplating to form 3 or 4 corporations by splitting the GHMC and adding the adjoining municipalities and corporation into ORR into new municipal corporation. I would like the Honorable CM Saab to clarify on this issue, sir. I would also request the government to take the opposition parties into confidence and call an all-party meeting to discuss important proposals such as Master Plan 2050, budgetary demands for municipal administration and urban development in the next financial year is 16,437 crores. However, I may point out a word of caution here, sir. In the current financial year, the release and expenditure under budgetary allocation for GHMC, Hyderabad Metro Water Sewerage Service Board and HMD and HMR have shown huge shortfalls, sir. Sir, when I talk about municipalities, sir, again the same, sir. The allocation for GHMC for HCT scheme in 2024-25 is rupees 2,654 crores, but the actual expenditure during the year as shown in outcome budget is zero. Sir. तो मैं ये समझना चाह रहा हूं इसमें सर, हियर इट इज 0 सर. सर अगेन आप बोलेंगे फिर टाइम ले रहे बोल के, इसलिए मैं इसको नहीं पढ़ रहा हूं सर, बता रहा हूं सर. सर Hyderabad Metro Water Sewerage Service Board is allocated 3,385 crores in the current year, but the expenditure is only rupees 1,222 crores. You can see on page number 99, sir. Page number 99 में sir 1,222 है sir. Hyderabad Metro Rail is allocated 1,150 crores, but the actual expenditure is 750, sir. पेज नंबर 100। तो मैं ये बुक के हिसाब से बोल रहा हूं कि फिगर्स आर नॉट मैचिंग सर, फिगर्स आर नॉट मैचिंग एट ऑल। यू से वन थिंग एंड द एलोकेशंस आर वन सर। जब आप 3,385 करोड़ हैदराबाद मेट्रो वाटर के लिए बोल रहे हैं तो उसमें से आप सिर्फ 1,222 करोड़ दिए सर, और मेट्रो रेल के लिए 1,150 करोड़, बट द एक्चुअल एक्सपेंडिचर इज 750 करोड़ फॉर द मेट्रो कनेक्टिविटी सर। नाउ कमिंग टू द मेट्रो कनेक्टिविटी इन ओल्ड सिटी, an allocation of rupees 500 crores, and surprisingly the expenditure is shown as rupees 500 crores only sir। हो गया बोल रहे हैं सर। Sir, however, expenditure on airport metro connectivity is zero compared to an allocation of 100 crores। ये मैंने बोल रहा हूं sir, again it is there on page number 100 sir। Sir, similarly the allocation for MMTS is rupees 50 crores, but the expenditure is zero। See page number 100 sir, पेज नंबर 100 जीरो है इस पे। तो आप ऐलान पे ऐलान करते हैं।